Hello my guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have this 2015 Chevy Silverado. We're doing taillights with the company AutoOne. Because these new lights are LEDs and they have resistors, you have brackets for the resistor because they're gonna get too hot. You're gonna mount it like that, and the connection has to go where the connector is from these ones. So I need to remove the stock wire harness, go all the way down. Connection is easy, is right there. Disconnect it, remove the cables, and connect these ones. So should be easy, but yes, you have to remove the wire harness. Okay guys, right here on the bottom I still have the original wire harness. For this application, for this Chevy, you don't need this one. I think this is for another application. Just follow your wire harness, disconnect the first or second, I will say second because this one has nothing on it. The second connector, disconnect that one and plug your lights. Like I said, you're not gonna need this one on the Chevys, and this is the original one. I just unplug this one, connect the new lights, and everything looks like it works. So that side is done with the new installation. I'm gonna put the lights on so you can see the difference between the new and the old. And then we're gonna repeat the process on that side. When you remove the light, you're gonna have two T15s in here with the Torx. Remove them, and for these ones is T25 to remove those. I'm putting these ones on the new one. That's all we need from the old light, and this is the new bolts. You're not gonna need the T15 anymore on these ones. You can use even a Phillips screwdriver for those. So just a little tip, once you do this installation, you wanna get this too tight and put the light on it. And there you have it, guys. The other one is done. Installation is complete, working perfectly. It's just one connector. I put zip ties on the bottom to secure the resistors, and everything is completed. And these lights, they're gonna be compatible with any 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500, any 16 to 19 Silverado 2500 HD, and any 2016 to 2019 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Dully. So link is gonna be in the description for these lights. As you can see, works really good. Plug and play connection was easy. It's not bad. Connections and installations super easy on this one. So I'm gonna put the camera so you can see both working at the same time, and I'm gonna close this episode. And like I said, link in the description for these lights. Okay guys, so I'll leave you with that. Tell me what you think about these ones, and like always, if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.